Hi everyone, welcome to the Two Brothers Kitchen where all our food is cruelty free. Today we are making lemon cake. For this recipe, you will need 100 milliliters of vegetable oil, 200 grams of sugar, 275 grams of self-raising flour, 170 milliliters of cold water, the juice of 1 lemon, the zest of 1½ lemons, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Separate the wet ingredients from the dry. Mix together all of the dry ingredients in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, put all the wet ingredients together. Mix the wet ingredients with the dry until it's smooth. Pour the mixture into a greased and lined 9-inch cake tin and bake for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. For the icing, you will need 150 grams of icing sugar and the juice of half a lemon. You'll know the cake's done when a toothpick comes out clean with no cake mixture on it. Leave the cake in its tin to cool on a rack for about 10 minutes. Loosen the sides before turning it out onto a wire cooling tray. Let the cake cool completely. To make the icing, spread it onto the cake with a knife and wait for it to set. Let the cake cool completely. Ah, lovely. Right. Here's a slice for you, Ison.
Thank you.
And a slice for me. Lovely. Right, I'm going to go put the knife away. I'll be right back.
Okay. He has no idea my big diabolical plan. Just because I'm cayenne pepper, the extra hot version. It goes a lot into my hand. Put the cap on, that looks like I did not do anything. Sprinkle some on. And just dust on my hands.
Alright, I'm coming back.
Oh. Uh-oh. Screw the cap on quick.
Oh, lovely. Cake. This should be good. Oh, why does it taste of cayenne pepper? Never mind.
Hey Elliot,
Yeah?
what do vegan zombies eat?
I don't know. What do they eat?
Brains.